Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to look down your system tray. So if you notice a little Windows icon that shows several bars like a radio signal, you might not see it immediately in here. You might have to click the little up arrow to see it in here. You just would left click on it, and then it would open up a little window over here on the right. Select the Wi-Fi network you would want to connect to, and then you would check mark where it says connect automatically, and then the blue connect button. You may have to enter in your network credentials if it's a new network that you haven't connected to previously, or you just reset your network settings. So the reason why it's not showing up for me is because I have an Ethernet-based connection, which is showing us a little Ethernet icon down here. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.